So, what do you think?
Hey, wow, there they are. There's Dad's pair of red shorts.
Hi, fine, thank you.
Good. How can I help you?
Well, I was wondering if you could help me restore a picture.
At the end, we can do more contrast adjustment. So now what we need to do is clean all these scratches.
And even though tragedy happens, it's a learning experience and can help future generations.
And Uncle Mike, yeah, that's what they look like when they were flying for the Navy back in 1953.
You like your picture?
That's excellent.
My new picture, the restored picture, is so much more clear and detailed than the older one. That's great. Thank you so much. That's wonderful. Wow.
Thank you for bringing your photo to Restore.TV.
Well, thank you for restoring my photo.
That's great.
So Jim, thank you for coming to Restore.TV.
It's super to see. Went from this to this.
Yeah, I think it looks great.
Thanks, Sonia.
Thank you.
It's great. Thanks so much. So thanks, Restore.TV. You did just what I wanted.